In this video, I will show you how to use the Twitch guest star feature. First, open your web browser and go to Twitch website, sign into your account, then click on your profile icon. From here, select Creator Dashboard. From the Creator Dashboard, find the Stream Together or Guest Star Quick Action depending on your Twitch interface. When prompted, allow Twitch to access your microphone and camera. Next, choose the layout you want to use for your stream. You can customize how your guests appear on the screen before going live. If you're using broadcasting software like OBS Studio, connect it to your Twitch stream as usual, then add the guest star browser source if required by Twitch current setup. Once everything is ready, click Invite Guest and send the invitation link to the people you want to join your stream. After your guests accept the invitation, you'll be able to see them in the guest star lobby. From there, you can add or remove guests, adjust the layout, and bring them into your live stream. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.